Today we are at the Strasburg Railroad.
Let's go, Strasbourg.
Corn. Corn.
Oh, that stinks though.
Yeah. 9 3/4.
What is 9 3/4?
I didn't know that was an actual train parking. I thought it was only.
Come on, let's go.
Harry Potter.
Oh, the express train.
Choo choo. Hello.
Where's your conductor hat?
I forgot it.
The old car.
It's an old car.
Hi.
Hello.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Goodbye to everyone right there.
I'm stoked.
The steam.
The steam hit me.
Goodbye them.
Okay, so I just need to tell you, if you know Harry Potter and you saw that Harry Potter sign that says 9 3/4, they actually did put that for Harry Potter.
Let me see. Nine 3/4. Bye everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.
And there goes the train.
See, we would have been in. That looks heavy.
Look it. Hi. Purple is the color of royalty, and that is my favorite color.
He's going to the museum now.
Woohoo!
There you go. Jonah, say something.
Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it.
Okay.
Will you put this on the Book of Faces?
Yeah,
Oh,
sure.
wonderful. The Book of Faces and instant glance.
We saw.
There's the rest of them.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? I love those glasses.
I love it. She's famous. Oui.
I don't actually want you to know that.
Oh, sorry. This is why she wears these glasses. She's incognito. Oui, it covers.
She's in what?
Oh, incognito.
Incognito? What's that?
She's hiding her face. We have to help him, you know.
Ah!
Jonah's World.
This is mean I be famous too. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
No Good morning.
Yeah, all the videos here are gonna be posted on there. So yeah.
Shauna's world. Oh, so wonderful.
I don't like the sound. I don't like the sound. I just deal with it.
Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Jonah. Bye bye.
Oh, she's gone.
Bye everyone.
We're going to the museum.
It was a train
It's a
bridge
train
that we
bridge.
passed by yesterday.
Yeah, I already knew it was a train bridge.
Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Train time.
What's over here? Huh?
This is where people wait before.
The telegraph. Remember before the
I hear
race?
something.
That's the telegraph machine.
What's here? Whoa. 1, 2, 2, 3.
Look at the old shoes. This is the old general store. Yeah, this look
Why
at
is
the
there a
old.
broom for witches?
These are mine, so.
There's a train.
Okay. I don't think I
Ooh,
can
the train's going. It's gonna come around. Ooh, there's another one. And there goes the other train.
Where's the Coca-Cola?
Over there.
Bye. All aboard.
Look inside.
What's inside?
The train.
Yeah.
Whoa. This used to be their luggage. Whoa.
All right, see how it's got the thing on the top? That little thing on the top of it? They look
Yeah.
out and they can check the tracks as they're going along. So all their tools and repairing things, if they need to repair the tracks or the train, are in a caboose. So the guys just riding there, they're like maintenance guys.
Oh.
Interesting.
Yeah. I remember when they used to go by our house in Lisbon all the time. We used to put at the very end there the caboose.
I'm going inside under the train. Whoa. This is nice. Can you open the door?
No?
You can. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching my railroad adventure. Please like and subscribe. Bye!